This question is from NEET 2017 paper code Y, question number 171. Question is two disks of same moment of inertia rotating about their regular axis passing through center and perpendicular to plane of disk with angular velocities omega 1 and omega 2. They are brought into contact face to face, coinciding their axis of rotation. The expression for loss of energy during this process is. So in this question, the very first part is that we have two disks. So let's say this is the first disk, and axis of rotation of the disk is this, which is passing through the center and perpendicular to the plane. Now let's say this is the second disk, and axis of rotation of this disk is this. This is the regular axis which is passing through the center and perpendicular to the plane of the disk. Okay, now let's say this is rotating with angular speed omega 1, which is given in the question, and this is rotating with angular speed omega 2, that is given in the question, right? About the moment of inertia, it is mentioned that they have same moment of inertia, so let's say that is I. Okay, and now we have to find out what is going to be the loss of energy when they will brought into contact face to face and axis of rotation is coinciding in that case. So in that case we have to find out the loss of energy. So loss of energy, that will be delta K. So this will be how much? It is half I equivalent, we know that it's a formula, omega 1 minus omega 2 square, and if you don't know the formula we have to remember this, right? Now how to find this I equivalent? We know that this is I1 I2 by I1 plus I2. So this will be I1 is I and I, so this is I square by 2I. So this will get cancelled out. So I equivalent that we got, that is how much? That is I by 2. So when you put it here, this is half into I by 2 into omega 1 minus omega 2 square, right? So this will be basically how much? I by 4 omega 1 square omega 1 minus omega 2 whole square, right? So this is the correct answer for this question. Now let us check which option is correct. Option third is the correct one. Thank you.